Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google form on your Android device. To get started, open your mobile web browser and go to the Google Forms website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Tap the plus button to create a new blank form, or choose one of the available templates. Next, enter a title and description for your form. Tap the plus button to add questions, then choose the question type, such as multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, or dropdown. Continue adding as many questions as you need. To customize your form, tap the palette icon to change the theme or use the settings menu to adjust options such as collecting email addresses or limiting responses. When you're finished, tap the send button to share your form by email, copy the link, or generate a shareable URL. And that's it, you've successfully created a Google form on your Android device. Happy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.